Hello, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would take this time just to welcome you guys back to my channel and just to talk to you about what my goals and my inspirations are for my 2019 year. As you know, 2018 was a bummer for me. I lost a brother who was the youngest of 5, and you know, when that happens in any family, it is a downer because you always think that the youngest is supposed to last forever, and if you're oldest, you're supposed to always go first. That is not the way it happens. So that was a big disappointment, but God is supposed to know best, so I leave it up to His will. And my channel finally got 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm up to 1,108. So my blessings for those of you that have joined my channel. What I'm hoping to do this year is to bring you more content, let you have a great sneak peek into my life and what goes on with a mother of 5. Yes, I said it, a mother of 5. And I have 2 of my last kids going off to college. I have a daughter that's opening up a new business, just like Mom. And I am going to be doing some more tutorials on how to save money with doing new things for your home. I'm going to try to do more of that. I love doing items to fix up your house. I am a do-it-yourself type of person. If those of you who know me, you know that. To save a buck, I will do it myself. And I also love decorating, and I love to shop. So I'm going to try to bring you more fashion type of content where I can show you what you can find online as well as going out. I'm a shopper that likes to go out where I can watch people. I can kind of talk to different people about different things and kind of help people that I see. I can talk to them about fashion and sometimes help them pick out outfits. So that's the reason why I like going out to shop. But I'm going to do some online shopping, let you know what you can find online, let you know if you can find bargains and if people our age can wear what the young people are wearing at some of these online stores. So that is going to be one of my tutorials coming up. So that's what I'm hoping that I can accomplish this year on my channel, is to be more inspired and to do more as far as bringing more content to those of you that watch my channel and get more engaged with you guys, so that you can actually give me your voice and what you want to see me tackle and what you would like to see me do. As far as life goes, I want to be able to tackle more things physically, because if you don't know it or not, I do have MS. You can look that up. I'm going to be talking about how to live with MS, what motivates me to get through the days that I don't feel like getting through, what causes MS, and what you can do to power through it. So I'm going to be talking about that also in my channel, hoping to get some insight into MS for those who are sufferers and need some motivation. Perhaps they can get some from my story. So I'm going to be covering a lot of different things, and I hope that you will take the time to actually watch my story, to get into my channel, and at least give me an opportunity to touch your life. So that's pretty much all I have to say. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and God bless you for this new year. Thanks, guys.